Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Today we will read chapter 2 of grammar. So open page number 15. Chapter 2, subject and predicate. ठीक है? Subject and predicate. So I am writing here a sentence. The monkey in shape is like a man. अब इसके अंदर देखिए, ये जो वर्ड है द मंकी, ये हमारा सब्जेक्ट कहलाता है, और ये वाला जो पार्ट है ये हमारा प्रेडिकेट कहलाता है। सो इससे हमें क्या पता चल रहा है कि किसी भी पर्सन, प्लेस, और थिंग के नेम को हम क्या कहते हैं? थिंग और एनिमल के नेम को क्या कहेंगे? इन सब के नेम्स को हम क्या कहेंगे? सब्जेक्ट कहेंगे। ठीक है, इन सब के नेम को हम सब्जेक्ट कहेंगे। और बाकी जो इसके बारे में किसी भी पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग या एनिमल के बारे में जो सेंटेंस में बताया जाता है उसको हम प्रेडिकेट कहते हैं। तो जिसके बारे में हमें कुछ भी पता चल रहा है, मतलब सब्जेक्ट के बारे में अगर हमें कुछ पता चल रहा है उसको हम बोलते हैं प्रेडिकेट।
मैम।
ठीक है, ये समझ में आया सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट। अब देखो, अगर हम कोई भी सेंटेंस लिख रहे हैं, जिस भी चीज के बारे में हमें पता चल रहा है वो तो हो गया हमारा सेंटेंस सब्जेक्ट, और जिसके बारे में हम कुछ बता रहे हैं वो हो गया हमारा, जिसके बारे में हम कुछ बता रहे हैं वो बाकी सेंटेंस क्या कहलाएगा? हमारा प्रेडिकेट कहलाएगा। जैसे कि आपको यहाँ पर एक एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ। देखो, फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है एरोप्लेन flies high in the air। अब देखो इसके अंदर अगर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछूं मैं, what flies in the air? What flies in the air? तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा?
एरोप्लेन।
Yes, your answer will be aeroplane. And if I will ask that what does it do? What does it do? क्या करता है वो?
Fly in the air.
Flies high in the air. तो इस तरह से हमारे को जो हमने क्वेश्चंस पूछे, whatever question I am asking, you can give their answer, and the first answer is known as subject and second one is known as predicate. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
can you identify now subject and predicate in the sentence? आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं ना। अब अगर आपको कोई भी सेंटेंस दिया हुआ हो तो आप बता सकते हैं भी किसी भी पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल, इनके नेम्स हमारे क्या होंगे? सब्जेक्ट होंगे, और इनके बारे में जो भी बात कही जाएगी, कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें पता चल रही है, वो हमारा होगा प्रेडिकेट। ओके, सो लेट्स डू सम एक्सरसाइज नाउ। I am writing here sentences. You will tell me which one is subject and which one is predicate. First, refill the empty bottles.
Ma'am, refill is subject. The empty bottle is predicate.
Refill is subject.
Yes, ma'am.
ये किसी का नेम है रिफिल?
No, ma'am. Bottle. Ma'am, bottle. Ma'am, bottle.
Bottle is a name of a thing. It is a thing.
Ma'am, bottle is
And it is the name of a thing. So bottle is the subject and leftover sentence बॉटल के बारे में जो भी बात कही जा रही है रिफिल द एम्प्टी, तो ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? प्रेडिकेट. ओके, आया समझ में?
मैम,
जिसके बारे में हम कुछ भी बात बता रहे हैं, मैं आपको अगेन एंड अगेन बोल रही हूँ कि जो भी नेम होगा, पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग का नेम is known as subject, and the thing which we are saying about subject is known as predicate. ठीक है? Okay, next. Now you will tell me. Up went the up went the balloon.
Ma'am, balloon is subject. Ma'am, balloon is subject and the predicate.
Okay, very good. Now this one is subject and this one is predicate. Now you have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference between subject and predicate? Now you can tell me. Okay, next exercise question, exercise A. In this exercise on page number 16, you have to match the following subjects with their predicates. Okay, there are given some subjects and predicates. You have to match them with correct subject with correct predicate. So first question, is the ostrich.
Is the largest of all the birds.
Ostrich is the
Largest bird of all the birds.
ostrich is the subject.
Subject.
And what will be its predicate? Is the
Largest of all the birds.
largest of all birds. Okay, so this one is predicate. Okay, subject and predicate understood? Next question, question 2. Policeman. Policeman is subject. Now what will be its predicate?
Protects our lives and property.
Yes, protects our life, protects our life and
Property.
property. Now next question. The Mount Everest is subject. The Mount Everest is subject.
Mountain is predicate.
Now what will be its predicate?
Is the highest mountain in the world.
Is the highest mountain highest mountain in the world. ओके ये मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा इधर लिख दिया. Understood? Now exercise B. Here are some sentences. You have to underline the subject and circle the predicate. Okay? I will write some sentences. You will tell me which are subject and which are predicates, so that we will underline the subject and circle the predicate. First one, question B on page number 17. John plays snakes and ladders.
John is subject, plays snakes and ladder is predicate. Yes, ma'am.
So we will underline John because it is subject, and we will circle this whole sentence. Plays snakes and ladders is predicate.
Predicate.
ठीक है? Okay, now next. The teacher asks the question.
The teacher is subject. Ask the question is predicate. Ask the question predicate.
Very good. So we will underline the teacher because it is subject,
And ask the question.
and ask the questions we will circle it because it is predicate.
Predicate.
Okay. So this is done. Okay, beta. Leftover questions you have to do in your book. So this exercise is completed. Now exercise C, underline the subject only. You have to underline only subject. Okay? Like question C, underline the subject. First question is, are you going? This is an interrogative sentence. Are you going
Ma'am,
on a picnic?
ma'am, you is subject.
Yes, because you is pronoun.
Yes, ma'am, pronoun.
Okay, it is pronoun, so it is subject, and leftover sentence is predicate.
Predicate.
Now next,
Predicate.
is Priya
Subject.
the best dancer in the class?
Ma'am, Priya is subject.
Yes, because Priya is the name of a girl. So this one is, sorry, we have to underline this.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, अंडरलाइन करना है सब्जेक्ट को. ये मैंने सर्किल रॉन्ग कर दिया है, आप अंडरलाइन कीजिएगा. जैसे प्रिया को अंडरलाइन करेंगे, यू को अंडरलाइन करेंगे. एंड लेफ्ट ओवर सेंटेंस इज प्रेडिकेट. सो कैन यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस एक्सरसाइज ऑल्सो. एंड नाउ एक्सरसाइज डी, मैच द सब्जेक्ट्स विथ सुइटेबल predicates. This exercise is also like question A. So you have to match all the subjects with predicates. Okay, so this exercise, this chapter is completed now. You have to complete all the exercise of this chapter in your book.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
beta.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.